Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss event handling in vanilla JavaScript. So what are events? So suppose like I have this Google search engine, and if I write something and click enter, so that is known as an event, and that is handled through JavaScript. So let's take example. So I have a button declared with ID button1, and I have an output where I want to display a hello text when this button is clicked. So right now when I clicking it, nothing is happening. So let's do it through JavaScript. So first of all, I'll declare one function called say hello, and then I want to set this inner HTML of this div to hello. So I'll do some handling here by get element by id is output, and then inside its inner HTML I want to set a text called hello. Now if I save it and click on click me, again nothing is happening. Now we have to do some event handling on this button. So I'll create one event called on click, and on the event I want to call this function. So I'll call this function say hello. Now if I save it and click on click me, I can see the text here. Now let's see some more complex example. So here I have a form with a label name and two input fields and one button. So two input fields are one for name and one for username. So and I want this to be handled. I want on the click of this button, this login function should execute. So it is taking the value of name and username, and then inside this div output it is printing the name of user that is entered here and is successfully logged in. So now if I enter some name like Bob Marley, and if I click login, nothing will happen, and the reason is very obvious, that we don't have any handling here. So I will create one event called on click, and I will pass this function here. So now if I enter some name and click on login, see the function is successfully executed. So another way to add this event inside this button is like I can declare one ID here, click anything, you can give anything, and let's say let click equal to, I'll take the instance of that ID, get element by ID click, and then I can add the event listener on that ID. So what is that is add event listener, and which event I want to enter is click, and I want to call this login. So now if I do this thing like Bob and Marley, again I'm getting the same result. So this is the way of like keeping your HTML JavaScript free. So there is nothing calling in our HTML, rather we are calling every function, and all functionalities are wrapped in my JS code.